Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'm back on Changwatana Road. Hopefully you can hear me today, not like the last video. But today what we're going to do, we're going to take a walk just down the road here and see if there's a new restaurant. I was there a few weeks ago and it closed down. And someone told me that they're making a new restaurant. So let's go check it out. I'm straight across the road from Central Plaza there. What we're going to do is take a walk right down there. We should get a move on actually because it's going to rain. Well actually, it's starting to rain already. Okay, so this is the same place I was at a few weeks ago when I did the Pak Krapao video. If you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link for that down in the description and go and watch it after this video. So that Pak Krapao video what I did, that was supposed to be a green curry video. But like I said, the restaurant was closed and it turned into me eating 3 Pak Krapaos in one weekend. So here it is, and there's no new restaurant. And the rain's coming as well now. That's where I had the Pak Krapao, right over there. This place is closed. Let's go and stand under here for a second and we'll think about what we're going to eat. I had Pak Krapao over there. And yeah, it was really good. So we can't go there today. But what we could do, we could go in here and have a khao man gai. Then afterwards, go and have some noodles. Just got here in time. What a cup? Khao man gai. Yeah, this one. Okay, so there's the prices. No more than 60 baht, that's less than $2. Okay, thank you, cup on cup. Look at that, that's a nice plate for that. And a big bowl of soup too. Wow. Oh, I am absolutely starving. What we're going to do, we're going to put some of this sauce on here. Wow, look at that. Chilies in there, garlic. Pour that right on the top. This is absolutely lovely, this stuff. Never get enough. Try a bit of this soup. Nice. Some of this chicken. Get a bit of chilli in there. Bit of garlic. Wow. That is good. I'll leave a link to this restaurant down in the description, as always. The rice is not too oily. This is really good. One of my favourite dishes. Alright, a big shout out to Mr. B Needham. Hope you're going to give this video a like. Proper raining out there now. Thing is with this Changwatana Road, they have a lot of flood. So about 4 o'clock time, this place is probably going to be underneath for the water. Made that a little bit too spicy, but yeah, it's alright. Normally I don't like the chicken skin, but this one tastes alright. And to all the other trolls, I don't really mind. Up to you what you think. I make videos because I like making videos. I ain't gonna stop because someone make a silly comment. Got some nice videos coming up in October. And that involves going on a plane somewhere. I'm not going to tell you where I'm going. You'll have to wait for that. Nice piece of the chicken in there. That was actually quite good. I know all cowman guys shops all look the same, but that was a nice portion size, that. This bowl of soup's a bit too big though. I'm not going to eat all of this. Let's go and get this bill. Check binนะครับเท่าไหร่ 60 60 baht, okay. Okay, thank you, Cap. Okay, 60 baht, not bad at all. Thinking about what to do next. Could we eat a bowl of noodles or not? Or it might be, I'll have a look around. This place opens at, later on tonight. Mukata. We go for a bowl of noodles, just the one bowl, yeah? See how much they are. There we have it. 20 baht noodles. That's alright, doesn't it? He even bought me some vegetables over too. Don't know if I need any of them. I had a little bit. I'm just going to add a few bean sprouts. Don't want to eat too much today. I do like bean sprouts. We'll give that a mix. Well, I've chosen egg noodles here. I've got in a couple of meatballs, a bit of pork, some herbs. Looking good, eh? It's already got spices in there. Okay, so I hope the picture looks good. I've got the new iOS update and the camera has gone a bit different. I've changed the settings. So hopefully you're seeing me clear. Oh, good. Bit of pork. Not bad, I've had better. And there we have it all gone. But what I spotted over there, those coconut cream. Is it coconut custard? They're 10 baht each, we'll have one of them. It's made of coconut milk, and the green stuff at the bottom is a tamdam, I think. Pandam. These are great. Alright, we're going to get this bill in a minute. Oh, that's great. I could sit here and eat 10 of these. Hello.
40
See, there we go, 40 baht. So today's spending has come to 100. Hello, thank you, cap on cap. Alright. Okay, there we have it, little food tour for you. Hope you like that. Anyway, give it a thumbs up if you have liked it. And if you want to share with your friends, do that. Pump the videos out. The more views, the more videos I can make. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. So, you know what I'm going to say? Adios.